loyalty test with couples, and let's get to it.
Let's go.
So we're married. We've been we've been married for almost 9 years. This August will be 9 years.
We've been together for 11 years.
Oh wow! Yeah.
So basically the experiment is basically
Okay.
So y'all okay with that?
Yeah. I mean, I have to find it.
So I on this side.
Okay.
Your phone, the seats, and your side, so she can sit.
Oh, okay.
It was at this moment that he knew. He
Like she's
So,
cheating,
bro,
so.
if anything, I'm gonna find it for you right now.
Alright, hold on.
Who want to go first?
No, you're first. All right. You can do me first.
Alright, so I'm gonna do it. Nate, come on close. Come see this. Oh, he know her code. Oh, he know the code. He knows the code.
So let's go
Alright.
through her text messages first.
Text
Let's take a
message
look.
first. So she got Instagram, Snapchat?
Yeah.
Alright, so text message.
Does everything look familiar? You know everybody who's here?
Yeah. You know Ray. Who's Ray? Alright. She know she good. Alright, that's Mom Dukes.
She looks good. She
Yeah,
looks
nah, I
good.
ain't gonna lie, she looking good in the text message.
Okay, let's
get
go
out
to
of
the
here.
Instagram.
Let's go to Instagram. You know,
Check
the
her
DMs be crazy. Let's go here first.
It goes down in the DM. Let's see.
I ain't gonna lie, it's nothing but friends in here.
Do you know
Ain't
everybody
gonna lie.
on here?
It's one Manny. Who Manny?
That's my boy.
Alright, that's
Okay.
it. We out here.
Go to the Snapchat. Go to the Snapchat.
Let me just get up out of here, period. You go to Snapchat.
Okay, you know how to check her messages? She got a blue
Direct
dot right
messages.
there. No, you're out the messages. Sorry. Can you click that blue dot? Okay.
I think the minute
Everybody
up.
over there, do
She
you know
good.
that?
She good.
Let him check.
Oh, sorry. Okay, you said
Oh, that's you. Oh, you good. Once he in the DM, he good. Alright, she good. She loyal. She
Everything
passed. She
good?
passed, y'all. She passed. She's a loyal one. She's a loyal one.
That was her time.
Try to get it. Come get it.
This is his phone, right?
Yeah, this is.
Oh, so she's supposed to check it.
All right. Okay.
Send me
All
you
right.
with
So
it.
text messages first.
Yeah, let's go to the text
All right, hold on. That's
messages.
James. That's his uncle.
Like, she's excited.
I know.
I'm excited
He's a
too.
loyal.
Okay.
He's a loyal
Let's
man.
go to the
I already see it.
All right.
11 years married. Come on.
Yeah. Oops.
That's goals.
That's
I know
right.
everyone. I know Michelle.
Okay.
I'm like. I know.
Nobody suspicious?
No, not even the numbers. I like
No?
know all the numbers.
My boy looking
Okay.
He
good.
was the same. Yeah, looking good so far.
Alright.
Looking clear.
Go to
Yeah,
Instagram.
clear. Let's go to the
Instagram.
Instagram.
Alright.
Then we'll
DMs.
go down on the ground.
Okay, what's going on in here? Who's
I-
Julie?
She's our sister-in-law.
Alright.
So my cousins. Yeah,
Alright, he good on the
So
Instagram.
family.
My boy good on the gram.
Good.
You got
Yeah,
Snap?
so far family. One of my friends. Everyone I trust. I'm good so far.
We can
Okay,
go to
let's go to the Snapchat.
Okay, Snap. Oh yeah. It's okay. I know Kay. I know Gretel. My
Priscilla.
aunt. Me. That's me.
Okay.
She just look at her. Look at her.
The same thing.
Yeah.
happened. They looking loyal. They looking like
Nah, y'all
couple
look
goals.
loyal.
Who's who?
Like they passed.
Deb?
That's somebody just had.
Yeah, they're like, say hi.
Okay.
Hold on, look at me. Yes, that works so good. That's my
Alright.
biffle.
Anything else? Anything else you might want to check? Because you us girls.
Usually
I know, right?
they
Let me see who he has. Hold on.
Okay.
No, yeah, no. Everything's good so far.
Everything's good?
Yeah.
All right,
I'm
guys. So
good.
this couple passed the loyalty
They
test.
passed. They passed.
This is the
She looking nervous, bro. You got this on camera, y'all? Yeah, we on camera now, y'all.
We're by.
I'm about to put on glasses. Alright, hold on. Look, y'all, this is spot all time.
We're by there. Introduce yourself, though, by the way. What's your name? Rob. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Okay, we're at
So she kind of distracted, y'all. Yo, let me call it, buddy.
Hey, we're in here. Bye. Okay. What's your name? Jasmine. Okay, you guys have been going out for 2 months, you guys said, right?
Yeah.
So we will be swapping phones for 1 minute, y'all. If y'all
Just the
care.
loyalty test, so you can give him your phone.
So
He's
who's
gonna
going
check
first?
you.
Who want to go first?
Let's try with him first.
Let's start with him.
Okay, let's
He
go.
look loyal.
Man, don't
He
y'all
look
don't
more
go.
loyal. Let's get to his phone.
Don't go away, don't go away. It's
You
okay.
go ahead.
Supposed to look through?
Go to
Go
Instagram
through the
first.
text message
Instagram.
first.
Instagram
I'm
first.
not on Instagram like that.
Instagram DM.
Let's check the DM.
You
Let's
gotta
go
go
to the
straight
DM.
to
Let's go
the.
for
You
it.
gotta go straight. Who's this?
Does everybody look familiar?
I know
Who's Tiffany?
Tiff.
Okay.
Tiff's,
Oh, she
yeah.
knows Tiffany.
It's easy.
I know Heather, Christina.
Christina,
Okay, the
who's
post
Christina?
looks
I
clear.
know Melanie. I know
Okay.
Donna.
All right, we on Snapchat.
Okay,
He
let's
loyal.
go.
He
Let's go
loyal.
to the Snapchat.
He passed Instagram.
Let's check the messages right here on Snap.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's usually everyone he talks to.
Everybody
He's
looks
good?
Who's that
familiar.
girl? Who's that girl?
Who?
Oh,
I don't know, I'm trying to get
my boy. He trying to figure out himself. Go to his messages then. He good. He's loyal on Snapchat.
Wait, everything, like, because you know us girls. Like, you sure
Yeah,
you got
like
everything?
looks
Alright,
good.
it's up to
Everything
us.
looks good? Okay, so let's go to the text messages. Looks like he's winning. He looks like he's being loyal.
Yeah. This is Melanie.
You know Melanie?
Yeah.
I'm about to say.
I don't know. Me and her kind of like we don't like
Oh
each
yeah,
other.
right.
Uh-oh.
Get his reaction.
Oh, shit.
All right, he got a point tucking off, y'all. He's still loyal though.
Everything
There's
looks
nothing
good.
be this
Yeah.
loyal.
Being a
Let's
little
see what
quiet.
else. Like, I don't know. Let's see what we
Like,
got.
not. I mean, he doesn't like this is 20. Like,
All right, we
he's
on
trying
to
to
her.
text her.
We on to her, y'all.
Okay,
Give
what
me
else?
back
You want to
his
check
phone.
the
He
calls?
passed.
That's thing
He
about
passed.
her, right?
Let's check the calls and
He's
list
got
messages.
mad missed calls
Honestly,
from
I'm on
Feather.
Yeah,
Oh
I'm fucking
wow.
with that.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Just group
Who's Feather?
chats.
Who's fine?
Oh shit.
Who's better?
Do you want me to FaceTime Feather?
You want?
Nah, I will. Okay.
It's okay, guys.
You don't gotta
You don't gotta do it right
Nah, I
now.
want to FaceTime Feather.
Okay.
Oh, Feather.
Hi.
Hey. How do you know my boyfriend Rob?
Oh my.
How you know Rob?
Did you wait? Before we start with yours, did you feel like you checked everything that you needed to check?
I mean, like, he's
Wait a
he's
minute,
fine.
who's boy?
Okay.
I thought I was your boy. Hold on. Who's
No,
that?
unlock it. Unlock it.
I don't even, that's the thing, I don't even know her
You know
password.
her
I don't even know her now.
You know how I'm
You know
gonna
my
say.
password.
I'm gonna say, bro. I know.
I think you do. You haven't changed it.
Oh goodness. We are on her side. My
Gotta
sister's
go
not
first.
cheating,
We
so
gotta-
let's go to
we
the
go to
messages
messages
first.
Yeah,
Let's go
please
through the messages.
You see, that's the thing. But Samsung. Oh, okay, hold on.
Okay. Okay.
Everything looks good?
Everything looks sturdy to me. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Who boo boo?
I don't know. Let's find out.
What a boo boo?
Looks like a girl. I don't know.
Jen.
Oh,
Yeah,
is she
come on.
loyal? Is she loyal?
My sister's good. She's good.
Who's Bobby?
Who's Bobby, huh?
Who's Bobby?
Bobby's a friend.
Bobby Schmurda? Who is this? Oh, he's a friend.
Alright.
He's a
But they
friend.
talking. Hold on, what was they talking?
Yeah, hold on. What were they talking
No,
about?
they
Alright.
look
Relax.
regular.
I'm just trying to get him the COVID test, you know?
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah.
Alright, you got it.
like,
Stay
Okay.
cool.
Good friend.
Go to Instagram. Go to Instagram. We don't got that
I don't
much
have
time.
an
We don't got that
Instagram. My
much time.
Instagram got hacked,
No,
so
she
anyone
doesn't.
knows how to
No,
get
she
that back, like, help
Snapchat's
me.
always interesting.
Yeah.
That's where the fun stuff
Exactly.
happens.
Exactly. Let's go straight to the box.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, hold on. Who's
There's a lot of guys in here.
we don't like
We gotta
that.
start. Who's Tony?
Oh, it's me.
He's like, hold on. Let's check, guys. Who's Jack? Yeah.
No, Jared.
They're not talking about it. They're not
That's
talking.
Jared,
She deleted it. It looked empty though. But I'm
No,
sorry.
I opened it. I mean, I don't save messages. Hold on. You supposed to be on my side.
Right.
All right. Yeah, I don't save messages. So.
Is that a guy?
Yeah, it looked like.
Oh.
You kind of felt though, bro.
Yeah, you failed.
You felt. I never had to.
No, that's girl. You know Feather.
Do I know?
Okay.
Do I?